Hello everyone. This entire week will be dedicated to Republic Day speeches. You will get the opportunity to explore various types of speeches, including short and long ones. All speeches are written in a well structured and thoughtful manner. Speeches designed for young children are also provided in a simple and easy to understand format. By preparing in advance, you can deliver your best speech on 26 January with confidence and grace. Don't forget to watch and select these resources to make your presentation truly memorable. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my beloved friends, today we gather under the vibrant sky of our great nation to celebrate an occasion that fills our hearts with pride and reminds us of our responsibilities as citizens. 76 years ago, on this very day, India embarked on a remarkable journey as a sovereign republic. We shed the chain of colonial rule and embraced the ideas of liberty, equality, and democracy. This day symbolizes not just the end of foreign dominance, but the beginning of a new era, where the dreams and inspiration of every Indian found a voice. As we stand here today, let us remember and honor the sacrifices of countless freedom fighters who dedicated their lives to the cause of independence. Their courage and determination paved the way for the democratic nation we call home. Their legacy reminds us of the value of freedom and the responsibility it carries. Republic Day is not merely a commemoration of our past. It is also a call to action for the present and the future. It grants us the freedom to think, to innovate, to express, and to contribute to the progress of our nation. It reminds us to uphold the ideals enshrined in our Constitution: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. As citizens of this diverse and vibrant country, let us celebrate Republic Day not just with ceremonies, but with a commitment to act. Let us respect our differences, celebrate our unity, and strive to build a society that is inclusive, compassionate, and progressive. Together we can march towards a brighter, more prosperous India. At last, on this occasion, I would like to express that when something wrong happens in the world, it is not solely because some people act out of selfishness or malice. Rather, it is because those who are good and aware of this wrongdoing often choose to remain silent. This silence allows injustice to prevail. It is disheartening to see that, despite recognizing the wrong, we often come together to tolerate or support it instead of raising our voice firmly and collectively against it. Let us remember that true change begins when good people stand united against injustice. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Let us move forward hand in hand, united in our efforts to honor our nation and its values. Thank you. Jai Hind.